Tired of feeling like you're throwing money into a black hole every month for your cell phone plan? Well, today, we're cracking the code and showing you exactly how to shop for a cell phone plan that fits your needs and your budget. Let's dive in. First, let's talk data. Open your current cell phone bill or check your phone's settings to see how much data you actually use each month. Are you a heavy streamer, a social media scroller, or mostly just use Wi-Fi? Knowing your usage is key. Next up, coverage. No amount of data matters if you can't connect. Check coverage maps for different carriers in the areas where you live, work, and travel. Most frequently look for strong 4G LTE or 5G coverage in those zones. There are websites that provide comparison maps that can be helpful. Now, let's talk commitment. Do you want to be locked into a long-term contract, or do you prefer the flexibility of a prepaid plan? Contracts often offer lower monthly rates but come with cancellation fees. Prepaid gives you freedom but might have slightly higher per month costs, so it is important to weigh which is most important to you. Time to shop. Use websites or visit carrier stores to compare plans side by side. Pay attention to data limits, monthly costs, and any extra perks like hotspot data or international calling. Don't forget to factor in any activation fees or equipment costs. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can ditch the confusion and find a cell phone plan that's perfect for you. Share your own tips and experiences in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. Thanks for watching.